there's a man that people are tipping him to lead his party and all that, and perhaps come and contest for the nation. But you see, there's something he has done in the past. I'm serious.
May they not do what Kennedy Agyapong did to us, because we prayed against them because of what they did to us. They dishonored us, they fought us, and we have fought them on our knees.
There's something he has done in the past. In as much as he may be a good man, his philanthropic work, which I like that aspect, because I like anybody who is very philanthropic. But there are some errors when you do in the past, it becomes costly. The watchers holds it up. I'm telling you.
So nemba ene ne kasa tie me o omuntu ne papa no for be o me di for every day me kese no me bomba ye tia no me share you tia no.
As you sat on TV, attacked men of God, whether they are false or not, spoke about Bishop Dag, blasted everybody. Sir, I'm telling you, we are men of the spirit.
Now Dag Heward-Mills or software also case because somebody has criticized you. Wow, what a shame. To your software, and I curse you. You'll never get up from your sick bed. Any Bronsampan or Dag Heward-Mills. The words you use shows that we are more than evil.
These things are in the atmosphere, and me, those times I did some things in the spirit against. Hey, those times. Ask those in Hakrade. I said, this man.
Yes, me the pay for you more. You for the presenters and one placenta. Yes, me the young man.
Yes.
And we are obi opportunity national TV radio so can you. Send the panels who are president here.
So that man has sat on the TV to do all that. He has if he's very serious, I'm telling you, don't let anybody lie to him and think it's easy part. Kono paravanoske. We are here, we shall see. You have to go and reverse all the things you have done. Ask your mama, do you know the things that with me? I traveled, enter some place, but even now I'm still doing things for him in my office. So now you want it, you are a good man. Go and apologize to everybody. Set it straight. In this last day that God is raising men for the kingdom and the church, you want to come and say, oh, these pastors are praying too much. There was one video I saw say, oh, I don't believe in God. Praying is
to go to church. Don't you miss church?
No, a waste of time.
Don't you miss
I believe
worshiping
in God.
with others and praising God?
No, waste of time.
So if that man is very, very serious, you should go. He has a work to do. Because me myself, I'm one of those who will fight him spiritually. Yeah. If they bring other person on, they're fine. Yeah, you have some other fine people who have not attacked. When you come and God say we help you, but when you come to fight us, Thomas Kabia, Obana, that we are here.
Hello, Abushan, ladies and gentlemen. I bring you greetings from Canada. I want to believe, said by the grace of Jesus Christ in T, everybody is doing well. I bring you this video, and it's very, very important to me. Every video I make is important to me, but there are some of them when I'm about to make them because of the seriousness of the importance and I make it known to you from onset. Say video is important to me. So because it's important to me, take it serious because it's very important to me. Now video is about Honorable Kennedy Agyapong. He is a man I like. He's a man I admire. As a matter of fact, I would choose Honorable Kennedy Agyapong over Bawumia any day, anytime. Now, we all know that the man has presidential ambitions. We all know that 2024 day or Costande for the MPP primaries, no. And Omuya Bukata. Omuma Dr. Bawumia be winning.
Yes, we don't have President Memo showed up. Vice President Memo showed up. So, Mama chasing me agent. I'm not going to say them. What do you bet? What do you bet in your best? Yes, the President anytime.
Now 2028 and also so he has this presidential ambition. Now many prophets and many men of God have spoken. Now I want to bring to us now if possible, so when Obinim Honorable Kennedy Agyapong share this video, pass it on, say the Honorable Kennedy Agyapong obetimi at the same say no. You see the people around Honorable Kennedy Agyapong, no, I want to believe that they are doing a good job and they are feeding him with the right information and I say the right direction. As I said, Honorable Ken Echo. Now, the entire video, and they say, I said some time ago, Honorable Ken expose be, now he was exposing fake men of God. Now, as a matter of fact, he was doing a great job. Many people supported him. I, for instance, I was one of the people that liked and supported what he was doing. But along the line, or sometimes he kind of digressed. He began to touch men of God that he shouldn't have touched. He began to insult people that he shouldn't have insulted. But say we are going forward. But those things now, the scars are still there. Those who were hurt, they are still hurt. Now I want to believe, say, Honorable Kennedy Agyapong can make amends. Honorable Ken can do something today. A bit me winning the hearts of those people now. A bit me edumu abekanya camp on whom. I don't think me yes video we. Me yes video we said about Honorable Ken. Hunu said, even though what he did was right, there were some things that he said and I said there were some people he spoke against he shouldn't have spoken against them, and I said he should have found a different approach, and I said a different way. Those people no. You see, Honorable Ken will not intentionally lie. As in Biana almost obekano yana ayano, but some of them no and yet full truth. Some of them are say 60%, 70% truth. Na say asembi ebisi no say ose owo mu no kre na no kre no enye 100% no kre na even 99% krampona. That 1% no kre na any hono that gap no can still make everything why it can spoil it, and it can make you appear as though you are lying. The message says, if today is your first time visiting my channel, I would like you to subscribe to my channel, like my video, drop your comment. Now fe yentimi share be together. Now if possible so share my for so na yenyina no yentimi share be together. I learn from you through your comments. So if you don't comment, I will not be able to learn something from you. Now there is this man of God Bia or Ghana ho your friend Prophet Clement Testimony. Me said anymore, and I don't think I really follow him. But I hear say on also the prophecies come to pass, and that's maybe a tisa. And he has come out to say Honorable Kennedy Agyapong per se, ABA say or when the MPP flag bearership crown now or per se obedi president. Because of some of the things he has done in the past, he should come and apologize to all those people, and he should come and apologize to Ghanaians. Now before Yabekoni and Yamini pay me percent me did some old videos to be a bremwa Honorable Kennedy Agyapong aka in the past. I think he offended a lot of people, but some of them they were for good reasons, but some they were not for appropriate reasons. Those ones now offended not any the appropriate reasons, those ones and me person oba out now obe apologize. Now I want to begin by the Okafa Bishop Dag Heward-Mills, and one of the most serious idea during the expose. He should not have done that. And no, say Bishop Dag, some people were lying about him in the church. They were kind of spreading rumors, backbiting. There was a lot of division. Bishop Dag Montina Obekesi said, Obibiana all kind of somebody, and I said all spreading misinformation in the church. They should be cursed.
Any form of wickedness in this church represented by criticisms, murmurings, speaking against authority, as Miriam became white with leprosy, so also may you be whitened with an incurable disease and never rise from your hospital bed in the name of Jesus Christ. We command peace in our midst to be cursed. We say, let them wither with an unrelenting curse. I curse my liars. I curse my deceivers. I curse my pretenders in the name.
Sell video eba out eba viral na man for air kan ho asem na Honorable Ken so tie no ono so ebe kan bi odidi Bishop Dag atempa na yedi kwasenka oyesa muma yenkutie asem na okan ye about Bishop Dag no, and then I will continue after that.
Now Dag Heward-Mills, me also question. What didn't you say before I talk?
Dag Heward-Mills.
Yeah.
Mean to me figure age mum, but I saw no more chance ya check.
Do you assure say we're preaching 42 years?
The members in our so for no. Almost start ya mum. Yeah, from
ne papa bi na here no be take over na
from Kolebu.
The person who the age
from Kolebu.
If I have to believe them, say what you are preaching 42 years there.
Yeah.
Any inquiry who ye. But you know,
so a doctor.
Or software also case. Because somebody has criticized you. Wow. What a shame. what is going on in this country? To your software, and I curse you. You'll never get up from your sick bed. Any Bronsampan or Dag Heward-Mills. The words you use shows that we are more than evil. And nobody is able to tell you, but I tell you straight away, your own words, cursing people, just how you're evil. Because we are so for pa nyame ba. Now what you make curse? What sorry ma? Because we are the who won. Now him concern kwa idea. Yeni politicians. Who him concern? Do we go out there and curse?
I don't know. Senior Moti, you know. I'm just saying, saying that okay, edify Bishop Dag home. I'm saying that it wasn't right. It wasn't fine. Obina na sorry them. I'm for eka ne honsem. Ena obeka sansem we say. Obi bia or yes I dey say when ya onyame no me emra so. I don't see anything wrong with that. And I say, even if there's something wrong with that, Krampuna, and you want to talk about it, this is not how you have to address it. This is not how you have to insult him and call him the devil and all that. Now, and you don't so. Obiti say Obinim, and a Prophet Badu Kobi, and a Nigel Gaisie. Sanko Fuina, so I'm say Obekan, Omohun Sema, and they need over there. If I were Honorable Kennedy Agyapong, I will go to these people, I will go to their churches, I will even surprise them. I will not even give them a prior information. And as a prior notice, I will just pass by, go and say hi to them, visit their churches, and just make amends. Because if it's a Uchimi Bewene, the NPP flag bearer Puna, you will need votes. The vote of our friends, the vote of our enemies, the vote of our loved ones, and the vote of people who hate us. We need every vote. Every vote counts. I don't know. But I have made videos about that. I don't say Okome YouTube. Now check these thumbnails up. This thumbnail, this thumbnail, no. Videos are made about in summer Nigel Gaisie, any Obinim or more eka, edify Honorable Kennedy Agyapong. Say seminar obey, you know, 1 year. I hear say, well, apologize to Prophet Badu Kobi, Sana Mati, but I don't know how true that is. But I don't know. So I am poor or you know, before say secretly, Uncle the church, Uncle Serrano, Uncle before the Prophet Badu Kobi, I saw them, Uncle Bishop Dag, I saw them. Obinim so Uncle Serrano, Nigel Gaisie, Uncle Serrano. So, Honorable Ken, I always say, Ubaya Sadima Wigina before Crown Park, NPP primaries no ebeso. O copy the microphone. Na can say, we do be any asem, as some of the buyer, and I became be assemble abbey. We do be any asem. Go to these people, go to their churches, and go and make friends with them. They will forgive you, and then you'll be able to win their heart, and then a lot of things will be changed. And don't you, Mumayan Kotinia, Nigel Gaisie, Eka, and Inia. Angel Obinim and so Eka, and then I'll continue after that.
May they not do what Kennedy Agyapong did to us. Because we prayed against them because of what they did to us. They dishonored us, they fought us, and we have fought them on our knees.
So nemba ene ne kasa tie me o omuntu ne papa no for bi o me di for every day me kese no me bomba ye tia no me share you tia no tie me Kennedy Agyapong, you can't tap God. Take all your trophy.
That means that you have a hand in Operation Okokoye.
I am a same my casino. See me, my bomb tiano. Because no yam no you be basa. Ne ba no any TV station or radio station. Ebi am ne pe inte so koko o manum. And I mean me defo me kasa so tie. Tie me o mon kan se na busofo tie a. O mon kan se yes sun fo no. Yemfa yensan kan yen. Me defo Messia sorry down me rade me nyankopon wapam. Apam me ne rade wono ne nyame enibi. You see, if not for what Kennedy Agyapong did to some of us, he stood a very good chance. But he has messed it up. Yeah, if not, and I think that when he is alone on his pillow, he will regret some of these regrettable regrets. If not, he's a fine man, very, very fine man, very, very fine man. But for what he has done, I don't even because of my sake, for me alone, my sake, there's no way God will honor him.
Really?
No. Some of us have covenant before God. Some of us have walked with God. Some of us have served God. That you attack me. It's unfortunate. I still love him. I love them. You see, I'm friendly. I'm a social media friendly person. I've been reading.
Very friendly.
Yeah. See, what he did to the church, even if they give the nod to him, some of us will pray and fight that it should not be.
Obi a me yesi me kwa kwalebu. Ekwa jeje nkwala nketua. Ede ye ma asole. What you say say? Ye ka so bi kwaje nkwala nketua. Oba wonyema wawo akwala fresh. Yesi nurse for ne ton ma me. Yes. Na me be kukum kwala ne de omomoja no aye ma asole. Yesi me de apemfo ye mu ade e fa presenters ho placenta. Yesi me de ye niema. Yes. Enu ye obi opportunity national TV radio so kan yo. E kan wo Ghana. Send me pano so wo president ye di o.
So as you heard for yourself, you know, these people are bitter, these people are angry, these people are looking for the opportunity to pay Honorable Kennedy Agyapong back. I am not saying I support what they are doing, and I support what they want to do to Honorable Kennedy Agyapong, but there is something Honorable Kennedy Agyapong can do today. It means to me preventing all these things from happening. Just pay them a visit. So we be Honorable Kennedy Agyapong on send this video way and and I say on to the phone on can the same. Honorable Ken, pay a visit to these people. Nigel Gaisie, Bishop Dag Heward-Mills, Prophet Badu Kobi, and some of these men of God, you know, like they are popular. We need their votes, we need their prayers, we need their goodwill. You know? Honorable Ken, pay them a visit. Go to them and go and say hi to them. Pay them a visit. Now, no, you paid a visit to Bishop Ajinasari. It's another day. Everybody is happy because people were saying, say you didn't like men of God. You have also paid a visit to Prophet Isaac Osubempa. Wako na sorry them. Eti wako Prophet Isaac Osubempa sorry them. And wako Bishop Charles Ajinasari so sorry them. Now it is time for you to visit any man of God. Biana, are necessary. We need them. We need their goodwill. We need their prayers. We need them on our side. You know? Visit them. Archbishop Duncan Williams. Any great man of God. Biana, as I said, so go there and go and make amends so that people will know that you don't hate men of God, and I say you are not an antichrist, because Nigel Gaisie believes you are an antichrist. So pay him a visit. Pay him a visit. When you go, hug them, give them a hug, okay, and if possible present them an envelope. Never bow for the them, and then everything will be fine. And Jeffrey, Moyenkoti near Sir Odifoya, your friend of Clement Testimony, and some also Afa Honorable Kenho, Yenkoti, and then I will wrap up after that.
There's a man that people are, even tipping him to lead his party and all that, and perhaps come and contest for the nation. But you see, there's something he has done in the past. I'm serious. There's something he has done in the past. In as much as he may be a good man, his philanthropic work, which I like that aspect, because I like anybody who is very philanthropic. But there are some errors when you do in the past, it becomes costly. The watchers holds it up. I'm telling you. As you sat on TV, attacked men of God, whether they are false or not, spoke about Bishop Dag, Archbishop Ajinasari, blasted everybody. Sir, I'm telling you, we are men of the spirit. These things are in the atmosphere. And me, those times I did some things in the spirit against. Yeah, those times. Ask those in Hakrade. I said, this man. So that man, as he sat on the TV to do all that, he has, if he's very serious, I'm telling you, don't let anybody lie to him and think it's easy part. We are here, we shall see. You have to go and reverse all the things you have done. Ask your mama, do you know the things that I would do? I traveled, entered some place, but even now I'm still doing things for him in my office. To become a leader, it is highly spiritual. That's why they go to some areas. They themselves they go, but the Almighty carries for power. The Almighty. So now you want it. You are a good man. Go and apologize to everybody. Set it straight. Many years ago, somebody showed me some word that the man was saying it outside the country. So one guy is saying he would want to become a leader of Ghana. When it comes, you attack the pastors and the churches. In this last day that God is raising men for the kingdom and the church, you want to come and say, oh, these pastors are praying too much. There was one video I saw say, oh, I don't believe in God.
To go to church? Don't you miss church?
No, a waste of time.
Don't you miss
I believe
worshiping
God.
with others and praising God?
No. Waste of time.
Praying is. I'm not a fan of every day going to pray at church. I'm not a fan. I believe in people also going to work and do exploit. That's why even me, I do church once a week. Now that we are going to start twice a week, because averagely at least it should be Sunday and midweek at least. But we for over a year, spend a year the whole week, and we are paying a monthly rent, huge amount. What you are saying? Next month, say we are starting our morning breakthrough service. Now I ate 2. So I know it's not good for you to go and sit at church every day and be known. At least the 1 or 2 days you can just go, because Muslims, they go to their mosque every day. Nobody speaks anything. 5 times even they go. When they are driving, they will pack and go. There's a problem. Of course, they would attack the one that is good. In country, what is good is what they will. That is why they always attack Christ, his image, the statues, and all that. They will always attack the church. I'll build my church and the gate of hell. So there's always the gate open to against us, to attack us. So if that man is very, very severe, he should go. He has a work to do. Because me myself, I'm one of those who will fight him spiritually. Yeah. If they bring other person on, they're fine. Yeah, you have some other fine people who have not attacked. When you come and God say we're happy, but when you come to fight us, Komas Kabia, Obana, that we are here. The watcher, the vote, things may vote, but things will change. Humans will vote, but results will be there.
And don't you know, as for me, dear, all that I will say is that, Honorable Ken, there is nothing wrong coming to say sorry to some of these people. Tisenia Nano, Oka sorry to His Excellency John Dramani Mahama. One Kasao John Fum so to Muka say, and Emma Odiayano in Sama Waka Edia Fanhono. You were not very humane to him. You came to apologize that, and everybody was happy with you about that.
This opportunity to apologize to President Mahama. On what, please?
Yeah, because, because of NDC MPP. The way he has handled me and the way I have spoken harsh words, I think I have not been fair to Mahama. Wow. He's such a wonderful. To extend that, Mahama, former President Mahama, his wife loves me to death. One day we're in Parliament and President Mahama came. He said, "Hey, come, my brother, come. The way my wife likes you." He said, "If I am not alive, the only man in this country that she would love to marry is Kennedy Agyapong." Really? I said, wow. Oh, yes. That is how nice this man was to me.
Just as now, dear, His Excellency John Dramani Mahama, you ate a humble pie, you came to say sorry and you apologize, Come and do the same thing to some of these people. Now, media, I don't want you to come and say sorry on the radio. Go to their churches, pay them a visit. Over to me the one Sunday you can visit 2 churches and that's about 3 churches. Our cry. Who we are, you come to Kumasi, go to their church, pay them a visit, don't even give them a prior notice. Can you imagine say Obinim I saw them Honorable Ken and I always say to me way before the primaries. Do this before the primaries. And my name say, because you are looking for power and you are looking for votes of people, that is why you are doing this. No, you are doing this because you want to smoke the peace pipe. Go to these people, go to their churches, pay them a visit. The number 1, Bishop Dag Heward-Mills. Who we are, more Accra, Badu Kobi, and so on. A friend said, Obinim so, or one also any Accra, and in a tema. These are all churches. You can go there. You can go there and just go and say hi to them, and then you will win their hearts forever. So that is what I want to say to Honorable Kennedy Agyapong. It's me the imagination them say, Honorable Ken, I believe God has blessed you. I believe many Ghanaians love you, but these things now, in the past, people are going to use it against you. Now, if I were you, I will begin to take certain steps today. I will make amends forever. Said during the elections. At the time, I will need the people. Otherwise, you see, Ghanaians have a funny way of paying people back. Ghanaians will pay you back. And don't forget, say, in Zambia, like it is a waste of time to go to church. And it is going to be very obvious. Without the Christians, without the church, nobody can become president in Ghana. Without the church, without Christianity, without the prophets, nobody can become a president in Ghana. And it is only in your interest for you to align with the church, for you to love the church and to love the men of God. But only Christo, he doesn't believe Jesus is God. He believes the Bible is edited. And yet, when he wanted power, Baumia was always in church, from one church to the other. On a Christopher Bible, because Christians pray in the name of Jesus, and Muslims don't believe that Jesus is God. Christians believe Jesus is God. And yet Baumiana, who doesn't believe that Jesus is God, will go to Christians who believe Jesus is God and tell those Christians to pray for him in the name of Jesus, who they see as God, so that he will be able to win power. Baumia was willing to do anything. Semisrumpa, Baumia attended more churches than he attended mosque, all because he wanted to seek power. And he knows that if the Christians don't support you, if you don't win the good heart of the Christians, you will never be able to become president in Ghana. That is the way God has made it, and it shall continue to be like that. You will never become president if Christians say we don't like you, if Christians are not sure of who you are, if Christians are skeptic of you. Eti Honorable Ken, dissolve all these doubts, remove all these doubts, and go to these churches, pay them a surprise visit, go and give them a hug. All those pastors, no, give them a hug. And I also made them say, "Toda, utimi yisenkwa, utimi kansema amam forsere, oko honma, fansemkwako, kansema amam forsere," and then love them, and then let them know, say, you are not an antichrist. And I say, you didn't speak about them because you hated them, but because you didn't agree with what they were doing at that time. Now we are in a different era, and you like them, you love them, and you want to come and pay them a visit. Utimi, yes, I did way before the primary, sir. I can assure you, Honorable Kennedy Agyapong, the sky will be your limit. So this is what I want to tell you. This is your fan in Canada. I am one of your fans in Canada. I like you very much, and I believe God has a plan for you as far as this country is concerned. So do the right thing and win the hearts of Ghanaians. So that is what I want to say. So I will end here, and I will say, if today is your first time visiting my channel, kindly subscribe to my channel, like my video, drop your comments. Now for me to me be free. Share to anybody unimuna obey Honorable Kennedy Agyapong say on share video yi kopim say ebedru Honorable Ken ensa said be Honorable Ken in sabeka video yi na watimi eto honorable. Until we meet again, take good care of yourself, and may the Lord bless you. Thank you very much. Bye.